Hi everyone, welcome to my channel M2K Tutorial. So today we're going to discuss if else. So let's understand if else in JavaScript with an example. So let's say there is one club who only allow 18 and above persons in their club. Okay, there is one guard who check that whether anybody is 18 or above. Okay, so let's first person came and guard asks, what is your age? Person replies 21. Guard says, that's okay, you can enter in the club. Welcome. Now after some time second person came. Guard again asks, what is the age of yours? Person replies 18. Because club allow 18 and above, so this person is also eligible. So guard says, you are just got eligible, you can enter in the club. Now in the third scenario, third person came and guard again asks, what is your age? And person says 16. So guard says, you are not allowed in the club, because club only allow 18 and above people. So here we see three scenarios. First scenario, age is greater than 18, person was allowed. Then age was exactly 18, person was allowed. And the third scenario, age was less than 18 and person was not allowed. So this can translate in case of JavaScript something like this. Here we have our first condition in if keyword. So if, and then we put our condition, and if this condition is true, then our first statement under if will be executed. Otherwise, if first condition is not true, we will go in our second conditions, which is in else if, and it will check the second condition. If it's true, it will execute a statement under else if. And if both if and else if is not true, then else part of the code will be executed. So first if will be checked, then else if, and then else. So let's see this in a practical example in our code. Okay, so let's start by creating one variable. Let's say age, and first I will assign it 21, and then we put our conditions. So if age is greater than 18, right? So we wanted to person eligible to go into the club. Okay, so let's put console.log, you are allowed. Okay, so if age is greater than 18, person is allowed. And if age is, and second is else if, right? So if let's say person is not greater than 18 but exactly 18, so we can put one condition here, okay, where age equal to 18, and in this case also we can show some message. Let's say you are just got eligible, right? So person with age 18 also eligible, but let's say person is not more than 18 years and also is not equal to 18. So what does it mean? That it's less than 18. So we can show message that you are not allowed, okay, using console.log. Okay, so the both three condition which we have checked in our videos translated into if else. So here we are making decision whether any person is greater than 18 or equal to 18 or not greater than or equal to 18. So let me execute this one, control S, and age currently 21, so it will go in if condition. Okay, and it will check if age is greater than 18, and because age is 21 which is greater than 18, this console.log will be logged. Okay, so let's our page, and here you can see that person is allowed. Okay, now let's change age to 18, and now this condition will be false because age is not greater than 18. Okay, so now we will not see this statement, and then after this statement got failed, this condition got failed, it will check this condition where we are checking whether age is exactly 18. So it will go here because this condition is true, and it will print this console.log. So let's check that, and here we go. You can see it's saying you are just got eligible, which is the second condition, which is else if condition. Okay, so else if nothing but the combination of else and if. So first condition is failed, so if this condition failed, else check this condition. Okay, now let's change this to 15 or 16 less than 18 number. This age I have changed it to less than 18, and now I go and refresh it, and you can see that it's saying you are not allowed. So all the condition, if all of the conditions is failed, then your code go into the else statement, and you will able to see the statement which is under else. Now if you are writing only one line, you can actually remove these curly braces. Okay, you can remove these curly braces and still it will work. Alright, now but if let's say if you have more than one line after your if else, then there will be errors. So for that you need to put the curly braces. Okay, as you can see, so if you have more than one line, then you need to put curly braces. Okay, so remember that. Okay, so now the other thing is you can have multiple else if. Okay, so there can be more else if here. Okay, something like this, you can have that. There can be number of else if here, but else only will be one. Okay, so else will be one, and you can also even have if multiple times. Okay, that will also work. So it will first check this if condition, then it will check this if condition, second if condition. So it will check first if condition, then second if condition. That will also work. Okay, and it's not also necessary that you have else if at all. So you can have something like this. Okay, so in our condition we can have something like this. So if age is greater than or equal to 18, the person is allowed, and otherwise person is not allowed. So this is also a valid syntax. So only one if and else is also okay, and in some cases you might not need else condition, so you can have only if condition as well. Okay, so this is also valid. Okay, So let's say you don't want to print any message if person is less than 18, but if it's not is greater than 18 you want to print some message, so you can just avoid else completely. Okay, so yeah, this was pretty much it for if else, guys. If you have any questions or query, just put in the comment box. I'm very much looking forward to answer your questions, and please like this video and subscribe to the channel M2K Tutorials, and don't forget to press on bell icon. Thank you very much.